Happy Studio!
KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 144 Omega 2 Bible Verse of the Day Psalms 119, 114 In Tokpishin version and Papuan Guinea language or Psalm 119, 114 You stopless height belong me, nahaplang belong me believe na wet long talk belong you or Psalm 119, 114 And in Tagalog version Awit 119, 114 Ikaw ang kublihan kong dako at kalasag ko. Ako'y umaasa sa iyong salita. Awit 119, 114 King James Pising Bible. Talk, thank you. Igulong God. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Good job. Tambay. 3, 2, 1, action. KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge. Day 144. Omega Digital Bible Verse of the Day. Psalms 119, 114. In King James Version. Thou art my hiding place and my shield. I hope in thy word. Psalms 119, 114. Thanks be to God po. Good job. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action. Hello guys. I will count. 2,
1
Three.
first. Start with 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, and this the last.
What number is that?
2.
After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What's
1,
next? 2.
2, 3, 4, 5.
You really
Is
count
already,
already what?
count already,
Already counted.
already, always be,
What? Always be.
Tom.
Always be
A,
what?
B, Tom. A, B, C,
Go.
A, B, C, V, R,
A, B, C. What?
A, B, C, B, E,
H, I, L. Si pa
H,
man
up there, Elmo, T,
Elmo. Si. Elmo. Elmo. Si. Go, continue. Q, R, S.
Q, R, S,
What?
U, V, R,
B, R. W,
W, S,
X,
Y, B, U,
Y, V, U, W, X, Y, Z.
Y, T.
Now
Now I know T.
I am now my ABC.
My A, B, T.
Next time,
Next time,
won't you
want you
what? Sing with me.
with me.
Okay, repeat. ABC.
A, B, T.
What? What's next? B,
B,
E, F,
F,
G,
B, F, T.
BFC, KFC. Yung KFC. Go, what else? Another.
U, I, B.
URB. What's
L,
next?
M, O, B.
Elmo again. LMOB. LMOB. Movie of Elmo. Where's Elmo? There. I'll go. What do you want to say to the kids out there? Do you have something to say to the kids out there watching you? You're on YouTube. They're watching you. Go.
We dash do I will.
What?
We dash deep.
Sleep? Yes, sleep. And then, when you are asleep,
We will just
you just
wake up.
you just wake up. Then when you are awake, we'll sleep again. Like that only. Okay.
Happy Diyos.
Done? Are we done? Tomorrow again, God willing. You say to the kids, you will be back, God willing, tomorrow again. Go.
Madiring tomorrow again.
I'll be back.
Abig pam.
I'll be back. That's just bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Like, subscribe, like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
What is that? What is it?
Subscribe.
Try. Subscribe. Go, say it.
Subscribe.
Share. Share.
Share.
How is subscribe? Subscribe.
Studios.
Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.